The rest of it, you just gotta figure out outside, which means you have to take the first one
Yeah.
and go to the outside.
All the way down.
Inside.
With a dead phone.
So the pretty well self-explanatory if you look at it and really read it. First
So honestly, I don't
is
have to do this.
First is
A lot of
self-explanatory,
depressing stuff.
last is self-explanatory. Inside is pretty much
job now.
self-explanatory.
Yeah,
It's
it's
two
tape.
inside numbers, okay?
Bam.
And if you do them in different ways, first,
Here, I'm
outside,
alive.
outside, last.
They're good.
There you go. Black and the black, the blue and the blue. All right, we're gonna start.
Flossing every month, like 3 months.
Tired of what I am.
Combine, add the like terms, or combine the like terms. Okay, this is a plus, and this is a minus, you can combine it,
Yeah.
okay? Put that over.
Yes, it does.
That's what foil means.
I got who?
Most of your homework.
Chris. Wait, hold on.
Does he grade your homework and then this is made
Paper or something, or?
He just tells us to do the
and you
practice.
give credit for it.
He doesn't even look at it.
I correct all my students. They hand it in late and grade it, but if it's early, they just get credit for doing it.
And I had to do each practice.
Okay.
Do example and then practice.
I'm so hot. I'm really doing hot.
I popped the door open.
Perfect, thank you.
And I only took
Nice
2 years of engineering.
I forgot to tell you last week to read, but I'll put it on the board and we'll discuss it tonight. Found it. This is regarding educational placements and bye-bye educational. That includes some cochlear implants, which we've discussed, and some other things we've discussed already.
They must write really nice.
Christie.
Corey, anybody seen Corey yet?
No, not yet.
Hello. Hot out, isn't it?
I want them.
Awful.
It's too hot tonight. We should be outside, sitting under the trees at the little man-made fire.
Yes. We'd be distracted.
No, we
Interesting
would.
story.
I've had that experience.
I tried.
We're outside, everybody be relaxing, and then be distracted. Nobody be paying attention to what's going on. It would be nice, but no. Okay. Oh, Thursday. What'd you think?
It's nice.
Nice, really good.
Very informative.
I wish we had more time.
Yeah.
That's the first video. It was old, and now I wanted to get a new one. Yes and no.
But the videos that we had were, even though they looked outdated, you can see by having the gentleman in the classroom that the culture and those values still apply today. Some people, it's nice to you to see somebody else other than me stand up here and lecture, and it's nice to get a perspective of from different people.
It took a while to find the right people with the right background, and the right experiences. Two very different experiences, brought them together, and you saw for yourselves the different perspectives that they brought to the table, and help you understand the culture better. And thank you for bringing food. It was really nice. Helped welcome them to this class.
And thank you for arranging it. It was perfect.
Thank you to Maria for organizing everything and getting the cards. It was wonderful. Thank you so much. Do you want to discuss it some more, or should we just continue on?
Do we have a lot of information to go over before the test? Or, because I know we can get easily sidetracked and talk for a long time off subject, and I want to make sure.
What they were discussing in the whole experience applies to the meeting, applies to educational placement, the different experiences between mainstreaming and deaf institutions and deaf schools, cochlear implants versus hearing aids. It does apply. Let me see what else. Don't forget to go over the handouts. The educational laws that I gave you, the handouts. 504, PL, you know, I gave it to you. IEPs, IFSP.
Yeah, education, placement and laws.
IFSPs. IEPs, and the educational laws, those are all going to be on the test. And then the sign language continuum handout. I have a list. The 3 different types of communication. You remember all the handouts, we discussed a lot of this stuff. And then that handout, which ASL, and then contact signs, plus PSE, which is pigeon sign language. And the third is MCE. That tends to be mostly used in educational settings. And the continuum, which discusses ASL, pigeon sign language, and English. Remember I described the audiogram, we discussed that in class? Grid, and you'll see that on the test. What's the identifying hearing loss, decibels. dB means decibels. Variations in communication styles.
Here's some Monmouth language.
Oh,
Monmouth language.
there's 6 of them. What causes of deafness, what types of deaf people there are. Wardenburg syndrome with the white stripe, Usher syndrome, Alport's, common causes of deafness.
Is the
That covers
test,
it. Got
is
it,
the
Jen?
test still on April 23rd?
No, she said it's 26. Final test was 3/26. Oh, no. Never mind. It's the date when you gave it to us, the form. Never mind. I'm wrong.
Yes, still on the 23rd.
Oh, up to the test, are we gonna keep, up to the test, are we gonna keep doing new material, or are we gonna review till, from here till the test? I don't know if it's gonna be review or not, we're gonna do some new and just review. Sorry.
Hold on. Now ask it again.
Are we gonna be going over
two short things, short and sweet. Plus, I'll give you some from the book. It's mostly the same as the other tests. I'm not gonna, you should already know all the stuff. If you've taken notes, you should, at least I hope so. I can't tell you what's gonna be on the test, but if you've been taking notes, oh, she's laughing. If you've been taking notes, you should be up to date on what's gonna be on the test. What do you want to tell me? Okay. We're not going to videotape for this particular part. Oh, we're not going to use the machine today for this part. Thank you. Shay, go ahead, Shay.
So the organizational paper, are we gonna get an outline?
Hold on a minute. I think I gave it to you already.
No, not for the organization.
What do you mean?
Give me a second. We'll go with paperwork. Carlos, give me a second. Okay.
I gave it to you already.
No, she never gave us an outline.
The organizational paper, I've given you an explanation of what's going to be on it. The place, what the organization does. I've explained a lot of this. You have to do some research on that organization. You have to pick an organization, but if you already work there, you can't use it. Or if you volunteer there, you can't use it. I've already approved some of them. Hold on. The presentation should be no more than 6 minutes. I prefer 5 because time constraints. If you go over 5 minutes, I'll take off points. It should be typed in 1 to 2 pages, double spaced. I suggest you bring some brochures or something to project on the wall.
some brochures, and you can use PowerPoint if you want to.
Or bulletin boards, whatever, just posters, whatever you have for your organization. Do you have any other questions?
I just was gonna say, in the syllabus, number 8, it says organizational report. That is that what that's where you're getting your information from, right?
That's on the syllabus. But,
Yes, to answer your question, yes.
Okay, so that's,
Yes, everything that I just mentioned is outlined in your syllabus, section 8. So, and just make sure that you elaborate on the organization itself. But the information that I just outlined is all on your syllabus, number 8.
satisfied, are you okay? Everybody, any questions?
Do you have an extra copy of the causes of the diseases? Wait,
Causes
This
and
one?
business and professional fields. No.
yeah, that's one that we were short on the last class. When you handed this out, I was supposed to get it the next class. I have everything.
No, which one do you need, Michelle?
The common causes of deafness in professional fields. Thank you, yes.
Is that the right one?
Yes, thank you.
Any other questions connected to the organizational paper? It's pretty simple and straightforward. But try to summarize it, make it 5 minutes, we don't have a lot of time. I'm pretty sure that the class will run from 7 to 9. If I find out something different, I'll let you know. Does everybody have the handout?
Yes.
Is it just May 2nd? Because on the syllabus it says April 30th and May 2nd.
Just one day. That's why I want it to be 5 minutes. There's 15 people. Hold on a minute, doing the math. Should run about an hour and 15 minutes if each person does 5 minutes of presentation. But there may be questions or other discussion, but keep it short. But I definitely encourage discussion because that will help you make your point. It also affects your grade.
Just to clarify, so then, do we have class on April 30th, which is that Tuesday? Because it says presentation or.
No,
No.
Oh.
Anyway, I gotta,
for the 14th week,
so this would be,
13, 14. Your last day of class is the 23rd, and then there's the organizational paper, which is I put down April 30th or May 2nd. The college decided and gave me its schedule for the tests. That's your test time. April 30th, there's no class.
The presentation is the same time the class starts, right?
It's not class, exactly. It's the final exam week. It's really, test number 3 is not really a final exam. It's not cumulative. It's just what we've learned since the last test.
Yes. But,
Okay. And then after the test number 3,
you understand.
there's no more tests. And then May 2nd is the organizational paper.
On May 2nd, 9 to 7, that's the time of the class, okay.
7 to
7
9.
7 to 9, not 9 to 7, oh, God.
It's the final, the college gives out 2-hour windows to every class, and that's the time we're using for your presentations, 2-hour time slot. If we finish early, we get to leave early. You can go have a party, that's up to you.